Welcome back to guys another video. So very welcome to this channel. Hi, it's me admin Khudiram and you are welcome here English Pulse X. Okay, so if you are watching video first time, make sure don't forget to hit the subscribe buttons. Okay, and if you love this kind of content, you can press the hello and welcome back to another video guys. Thank you and just salam alaikum, assalamu alaikum, namaskar, sat sri akal. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great and you are learning amazing English spoken. Okay, hope you will enjoy this video. So today in this video I will talking about what's the one things you should stop doing today. You have heard right. So what the one things you should stop doing today? Can you imagine what is this? It is not your relationship problem, it is not your economic problem, and it is not your health problem. The way I promise, and you, yes, by the good of grace, everybody you are okay, no issue of health, right? So looks, I'm not talking about your situation, I'm not talking about your past, and even not the other people's. Then what is this? I'm not talking about none other than, and that is doubt. Stop doubt yourself, right? You heard it right. Stop doubt yourself first, right? And stop thinking I'm not good enough, right? And stop the compare someone else, right? You heard it right. It means you have a doubt on your heart. You always keep your doubt on your heart. That's why you always think, oh my god, why I am and why I'm not able to do, right? So it means stop doubting yourself, right? Because when you stop doubting yourself, you start growing and you start shining, right? Okay, remember one thing, and that is God has never created you to live with fear and regret, right? It means that God has created you to live with faith, courage, and purpose, right? So remember, I repeat again, God has created you to faith, courage, and purpose, right? So stop doubting yourself and start believing yourself, right? Because when you start, the moment you stop, okay, moment you stop, it means when you start, the moment you stop, and you will holding back you, right? Yourself. Got it? Yeah. It means if I will conclude over all the things, it means just whenever, if you are trying to do anything, if you are trying to do, maybe your goal, it might be your school, it might be your target, whatever, I don't know, but if you are believe on yourself, really bottom of your heart, you can, okay, you can, no matter, nobody will stop you, and you can. So first of all, start believing and you can proceed it and you can gain it. Hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope if you have really enjoyed this video, make sure share, like, and subscribe, okay, and do comment, okay. Are you ready to stop doubting yourself? Okay, I will see you next video guys. Okay, till then, bye bye, and love you to all. I will see you next video, and make people laughing and keep smiling, okay, and help the needy people always. Thank you, all the best. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.